Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we are going to take a look at a giro to the close side of the embrace and how to do it simply.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work.
Okay, we'll show you the figure just once. So we go side and ocho, giro, walk into resolution, keeping the close embrace.
Very good. Now, few details here before we show it with the music. At the end, we are going to show you this with the music. But here's the thing. Main thing for the leaders is to create, first of all, side step and an ocho, right? Now, here's the important thing. We need to use the right shoulder blade for the leaders as we cross back. This is the simplest way, crossing back. And if you notice, I am using my right shoulder blade, pulling and being just slightly ahead of her. 1, and while I'm pivoting, 2. Now from here, I will leave my right foot free of weight so I can readjust during her side to the close embrace. If I don't readjust, this will be uncomfortable. Yes, you need to re-step and close embrace at that moment. And from here, of course, you can walk into a resolution. I want to show you this, we want to show you this because it's the simplest way. Of course, we can do in another video, we're going to show you how to go with the other leg, front, and also doing different endings, but this is the simplest.
Let's try one more time for everybody.
Yes.
Side step, doing the ochos, leading her to walk back, side, front. Side step to close embrace, and going from here to resolution.
Very good. Now, we are going to do it with the music, but before that, I would like to mention that we have our own line of tango clothes, Tango Dapper for leaders, ESPLENDIDA for the followers, and this pant is back in stock. A lot of you were asking for this because in 34 and 36 was out of stock. It's back in stock.
Please check the website. Esplendida Tango skirts and tops are coming up.
Now with the music.
Descangallada, la vieja